Okay, first grade. This week we're going to do some formatting in Google Docs. First of all, I'd like you to go to docs.google.com. It's going to ask you to sign in if you're not already signed in, and to use your password. Okay, here we are signed in. I want you to go to this plus sign. That gives you a new blank document. And in this document, I would like you to type your name. Now, to change the way our text looks, there's font, font size, that makes it bigger or smaller. B is bold, it makes it thicker and emphasized. I is italic, which makes it slanted. U is underline, and this A with the line under it is text color. So we're going to make some changes to our names. You type your name. This is my name. First of all, you have to highlight it. If you want to make any changes, you have to highlight it. And the way you would do that is to click and then drag across. Okay? Click and drag. It doesn't matter if you start at the beginning or the end, but you have to click and drag. You see how it's highlighted? Needs to be highlighted if you want to make any changes. So here I'm going to change the font. You see there's a lot of different types of fonts that we can choose from. I'm going to go for Times New Roman, and I'm going to make it 12. I can tell you that in your school career, most of the papers that you do for school will be in Times New Roman in font size 12 or Arial. These are the most common ones. This is usually what your teachers want when you're doing a term paper. So we have Arial and 12, but we want to do something a little more fun. So I'm going to, let's see, find a handwriting one, and I'm going to make my font very big, and I'm going to change the color to red. Okay, then I'm going to hit return or enter to get another line, and I'm going to type my name again. And again, because I want to change this one, I have to highlight it. So I click and I drag. It's highlighted or selected. I'm going to change the font size. I'm going to make it very, very small. And I'm going to change the color to a fluorescent green. Actually, that's too small. I can't even see that. So let's make it about a 12. All right, highlight. Let's make it italic. You see it's kind of slanting a little bit now. Some fonts it's a little harder to tell than others. But I want to change this font too. Let's try Comic Sans. That's a fun font. And let's go down once more and type your name again. Highlight it or select it. Click and drag. And let's see, what font am I going to use now? Let's try Caveat, and I'm going to make this even bigger. Okay, and I'm going to change the color because that color is a little obnoxious. I'm going to change it to purple and maybe underline it. There we go. So what I would like you to do is just to type your name 3 times like this, and just to play around with it, just using font, font size, bold, italic, underline, or text color. So just change it around, and when you're finished doing that, click Share. Now you have to name it before you share it. And usually what it'll do is it'll put in the first word. So if you're typing your name might already be here. If it's not, just fill it in. And I just want to show you right now it says Untitled up here. Once I name it and click Save, there it is. It puts my title in. Now to share it with me, just start typing DLAW. My name comes up. Click on it. Then you see my picture and my name. And click Send. And that's all there is to it. Enjoy. Have fun with it.